called piers.
Yeah, they didn't have things like this in Victoria
Yeah,
the century.
It looks ugly, but on the top you don't see it, do you? But that's all like meant to be old-fashioned at the top. It's about 15 years old, I expect that, isn't it? It's been oh, there's a thing there. This is going straight across the garden now. Looks lovely and warm. When do you reckon this was put in, Mate? This could have been Victorian times.
All this is brick and cement.
Is that it? So they build. So they build a jagged wall, and then they put the lines into it like that. Cut all the lines into it. It does look good though. It did fool me for a bit, but it just seemed too perfect, doesn't it? When there's a path around it. Yeah. Yeah, that's definitely been rendered again. It's just a repair job, isn't it? Rich done that.
It's good.
But this bit's all fallen away, look. Yeah. That's just lumps of concrete, isn't it? It just seems like it's... You can tell it's made now, because it's all made around the path.
Yeah.
No, it's when you dug it in.
Dug it in.
Yeah, isn't it?
Look, they wrap them round. They're newer, but they look good.
Yeah. It's hot, isn't it?
Hot,
Molten.
yeah.
They are, look.
Hello.
He's gone that way.
Why do they run all the way and get scared?
They're hunted.
Are they? Is it snowing again? It's trying to. You couldn't catch them if you wanted, could you?